Leading with kindness. Have you ever had a moment where a small act of kindness changed your whole day? Today, I want to share a story about a boy named Liam and how he discovered the power of leading with kindness. Liam was 13 years old and he had just moved to a new city. Everything felt strange. His classmates had their own friends, and Liam sat alone at lunch. It wasn't because he didn't want to make friends, he just didn't know where to start. One rainy Monday, Liam was walking to class where he saw another boy, Ben, struggling to pick up his papers that had blown out of his backpack. Most of the other students passed by without helping, but Liam stopped. He bent down, handed Ben the papers, and said, "Looks like the wind's against you today." Ben laughed and replied, "Yeah, it's giving me a workout." The next day, Ben invited Liam to sit with his group at lunch. Slowly, Liam started feeling more at home in his new school. He realized that helping Ben wasn't just about being polite, it was about showing kindness. A few weeks later, their teacher assigned a group project. Liam and Ben were paired with Mia, a girl who rarely spoke in class. At first, Mia seemed nervous and avoided eye contact. Liam noticed this and decided to encourage her. "Hey, Mia," he said with a smile. "You're great at drawing, right? Maybe you could help us make the poster for our project. It would look amazing." Mia hesitated, but Liam's kind tone made her feel comfortable. She nodded and said, "Sure, I'd like that." By the end of the project, Mia was laughing and sharing ideas with Liam and Ben. When they presented their work, their poster stood out and Mia's confidence shone through. After class, Mia thanked Liam. "I usually feel invisible," she said, "but you made me feel included." Liam realized something important. Kindness isn't just about helping people in big ways, it's about making others feel seen and valued. As the year went on, Liam became known for his kindness. Whether it was sharing a snack, holding the door, or simply saying hello, he showed that leading with kindness wasn't hard, it was a choice. And that's the lesson Liam learned. When we choose to be kind, we inspire others to do the same. It can start small, a smile, a helping hand, or kind words, but it has the power to change someone's day and maybe even their life. If the story inspired you, remember to share kindness today. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with someone who could use a little encouragement.